Hello everybody, my name is Eric Bezo and I am the main developer of Gobo Eiffel, an open source project with a set of tools and libraries for the Eiffel programming language. In this video, I will show you how easy it is to compile an existing Eiffel program with a Gobo Eiffel compiler. For the demo, I chose Tetris, which is a simple Tetris clone developed by Louis Marchand using Eiffel Studio. So let's dive in. First, let's install the Gobo Eiffel package. So we'll get the source code from GitHub on this page. So I will grab the URL and type git clone the URL. So this will take a couple of minutes, so I will pause the video. Okay, here we are. Now I need to make sure that the C compiler I want to use as backend C compiler is in the path. So for that I will execute this script. I'm using the C compiler which comes with the free community edition of Visual Studio 2022. So now I need to set the Gobo environment variable. And I will execute this install script with the name of the C compiler I want to use. So again, it will take a few minutes, so I will pause the video. Okay, so the last thing to do is to add the Gobo bin folder to the path. That's what I will do now. That's it. Gobo Eiffel is now installed. Now let's get the code of Tetris from GitHub. I will go to the page on GitHub for Tetris, just grab the URL, git clone. Okay, so while doing that, we'll look at the README file and we can see that the Eiffel game library is needed to compile Tetris. So if we go to the corresponding page on GitHub, in the README file we have some installation instruction and we can see that there is a pre-built version for Windows. So I will go to the corresponding link. And here basically what it says is that I need to download this zip file, unzip it into the contrib library game folder in the Eiffel Studio installation, and then copy some DLL files next to the executable. I already downloaded the zip file, so what I will do is first set the IC Eiffel environment variable. Okay, so that's where Eiffel Studio is installed on my machine. And then I will unzip the zip file. Okay, and I will also copy the DLLs as indicated in the instructions. Okay, that's it. So one last thing I want to do before compiling is to take advantage of the fact that I already installed the BUMGC on my computer. So I will be able to take advantage of that just by setting this environment variable to indicate where the Gobo Eiffel compiler will be able to find the corresponding library. And now I can just type GEC for Gobo Eiffel compiler, then the option to indicate that I want to use the BUMGC, and I will use the target Tetris in the Tetris ECF file. Okay, so that was fast. So let's try to run Tetris now. Okay, so let's try to play. Okay, so I'm playing the Tetris program compiled with the Gobo compiler. Okay, let's pause that. That was fun. So you may have noticed that I did not have to modify any line of code in the Tetris application or in the libraries it is using. That's what's great. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to click on the like button. Happy eiffling and see you in the next video. Bye bye.